In this video, we'll walk through the client web UI and show you how to download your profile and connect to Access Server using its URL or address. If you're managing Access Server for your organization, you likely already know the URL. Just enter it into your browser to reach the page shown here. If your system administrator created your account, they probably sent you your username, password, and the URL. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may have only received the URL and you'll log in using your existing credentials. Either way, enter the URL into your browser and you'll arrive at the login page. In this example, our system administrator provided the username, password, and URL. We'll enter the URL in the browser, then log in with the credentials provided. Once logged in, the first page you'll see is Get Connected. Here you can download the Connect app if it isn't already installed, or download your connection profile if you already have the app. You can also choose the Connect app for a different operating system, if needed. If you ever need to change your password, click the Change Password tab at the top of the page. Enter your current password, type and confirm your new password, and click Update to save your changes. Back on the Downloads page, the first step is to download the Connect app for your operating system and follow the installation instructions. In my case, the app is already installed, so I'll just download the connection profile. Once downloaded, locate the file, double-click it, and confirm the import. Verify all information, then click Connect. You'll be prompted to enter your password to complete the connection. From now on, you can simply toggle the switch to connect or disconnect. For more information, visit openvpn.net and check out our knowledge base and tutorials under the resources section.